Welcome back! Today, I'll discuss how I printed, painted, and put together this Man Without Fear Daredevil bus. With the new Daredevil Born Again TV series starting on Disney+, I had to do something for him. So I went ahead and I printed out this bus. I picked up the file from Wicked. I'll leave in a link in the description below. I used chitubox to orient the files on the print bed to exactly the position I wanted. And then I added some supports and sent it down to the printer. After about 8 hours or so, it looked something like this. I went ahead and cleaned both the resin prints and then cured them. I spray painted the models in black next. When the paint had time to dry, I dry brushed on a light layer of gray paint to the models. When completed, it should look something like this. Next, I applied a white layer on top of the base and the bus. I taped off certain areas so the paint would not bleed through as I painted the top layer. Let's get to painting this. If you like the content, please consider liking, subscribing, and commenting on the video. It helps my channel grow. Now let's get back to the video. For the primary color, I use the Slaughter Red speed paint to apply to the top. I added it to my airbrush and used that to apply the paint to the piece. After adding some details, it should look something like this. At this point, I went ahead and swapped out to the deep cut Deep Studio markers I picked up and spoke about in my last video. This allows me to go into tighter, smaller areas and just use a marker to apply the ink to the actual model itself. It's almost done. Stay tuned for the final reveal.